As deep as you can get. Go around to the front of Grandma's car. See how deep you can get. You like this?
Uh-huh. I never seen it.
Yeah.
Holy smokes!
What?
I did not do that. Oh! Oh yeah!
What the heck? Alright, yeah. Is that as deep as you can get?
Yeah!
That's a lot of fun, isn't it? Holy smokes!
Hold on, I found the big one.
That wasn't big? Can you get it?
No, it just...
Look at the side of Grandma's car, her van. Look at that. Look how deep that is.
Awesome!
Isn't that pretty deep?
Mama!